I am Brinda Prakash Darshini of EC department and I am going to tell about the importance of reading books. In this, we will see the benefits of reading books. First, it will increase our vocabulary. When reading, we will expose ourselves to more words, which allows us for understanding on another level. Reading an hour a day will expose us to 4 million words per day. Reading improves concentration. It takes time, patience, and concentration. Reading forces us to use our brain. It helps us to reason things out which are unfamiliar. Reading can help with depression. It helped many patients suffering from depression with their social well-being. Reading helps to build self-confidence, lessening cultural isolation, building a sense of community, and fostering increased communication skills. Reading assists mental well-being. Reading can help our well-being by improving powers of concentration. Reading can also help well-being by encouraging enthusiasm in learning. We will also increase verbalized and internalized thought. It enables us to understand others. Reading can help you connect with people that would easily struggle to understand. For example, reading books about another people's culture or countries can help us create connections to that place. Reading books based on the lives and experience of others is one way to get a small insight to someone else's life. Reading improves empathy. Empathy is being able to relate to or understand how other feeling is. Reading the thoughts from others are understood in our brains on a different level to a TV show or film. Through film, we only see the actor's actions rather than thoughts. Studies on reading fiction shows that readers have a better ability to have empathy. Reading makes us more intelligent. Simply reading makes us smarter. Reading is a kind of like weightlifting for our brain. If we read regularly, we will get significant academic gains. We will become a better communicator. With an increased vocabulary, we will become a far better communicator. Reading increases imagination and creativity. The written word stimulates your brain to create images. Researchers have found that visual imaginary is simply programmed into the human brain. We identify photos of objects a lot faster when we simply just read a sentence that describes the appearance of the object. Basically, when we read a sentence, our mind will automatically bring up images even without us trying. It helps our writing, as we could imagine that the increased creativity, communication skills, and vocabulary gained from reading much improve our writing. If we need to write for any part of our day to day life, then the best way to improve is to read more. By reading and engaging with the work of others, we will be able to entirely focus on the techniques, their voice, and how they portray their messages and themes throughout their writing. Reading something is just about as good as experiencing it. Reading helps to make neurological connections. Reading gives us the ability to reread and remember a text. Reading can give us how to guide. It reduces stress. Reading helps to sleep. Reading helps you to collect the thoughts and views of others and develop an educated opinion. Reading improves the memory, and each time when we read a book, we will get another insight. And reading is enjoyable. So, love reading. Thank you.